you're terrified of change. It scares you. Maybe every time in your past life as a kid, change meant bad things at home. I'm telling you that you got to change the way you think about change. You got to think differently. You got to embrace it. You got to look for the exciting parts of it. Because if you don't, you're just going to be stuck. And maybe you're okay being stuck, but if you're not, like I think we've shared with this audience before, that part of our mission in the whole world is to build more leaders, teachers, and entrepreneurs. Maybe you're not one of those people that wants us to help you become one. That's okay. But my guess is there's many of you listening who want to become one. And if there's any key advice, the secret, I would say find every avenue in your life that you can to embrace meaningful, thoughtful, and empowering change.